Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's we talk to BMC AMI Cloud Modernize Mission Critical Data Operation and offers a Smells software based solution to discover, move, transform and manage data in the private or public cloud, empowering mainframe data management in the hybrid cloud era. Take advantage of the power of the mainframe. Leverage the power of cloud scalability and flexibility. Reduce storage cost. Data protection and replaces traditional backup and spaces management software. BMCAMI Cloud is a robust suite of cloud mainframe data management products that allows you to perform backup, achieve space management, and disaster recovery using cloud based or on premises object storage. Get compatibility with IBM Data Facility Storage Management System DFSMS. Create immutable data copies and air gapped third copies in the cloud with the to end composition and cyclication. Data storage that eliminates the need for traditional type based system. Write mainframe directly to the cloud with no need for interim direct access strong device DASDS or having to rewrite job control language ICL. Transition to cloud storage infrastructure. Eliminate need for type and virtual type library VTL system. So thank you